In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove and redo, or unreconcile, a transaction in Xero. If you've ever matched a bank transaction by mistake, or realized that a reconciled item needs to be corrected, Xero gives you a couple of ways to fix it. The method you use depends on what exactly you want to change. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to unreconcile a transaction, and then how to use the remove and redo option when you need to send that bank statement line back to the reconciliation screen. To unreconcile a transaction, start by opening Xero. Once you are in, go to the accounting menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Bank Accounts. This will take you to the list of bank accounts connected to your organization. Next, click on the specific bank account where the transaction was reconciled. After that, go to the Account Transactions tab. This is where you can review the transactions recorded for that account. Find the reconciled item you want to change, and click on that transaction to open it. With the transaction open, look to the top right corner for the Options drop-down menu. Click it. Then choose Unreconcile. Xero will ask you to confirm the action, so click OK to proceed. Once that's done, the transaction will no longer be marked as reconciled. Now let's look at the Remove and Redo option. This is useful when you want to remove the ledger transaction entirely and send the bank statement line back to the reconcile screen so it can be matched again correctly. To do this, begin the same way by opening Xero. Go to the accounting menu at the top, then select Bank Accounts from the drop-down. Click on the relevant bank account, then open the Account Transactions tab. Find the transaction you want to update and select it. Then click Options and choose Remove and Redo. If Xero prompts you to confirm, click Yes. This will delete the ledger transaction and return the bank statement line to the reconciliation screen, where you can process it again. As a quick tip, make sure you choose the correct option for your situation. Unreconcile is helpful when you simply need to reverse the reconciliation status, while Remove and Redo is better when the original match or coded transaction needs to be fully redone. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.